Hello everyone. In this video in the series Fun with Integrals, we are going to discuss this integral du by square root u squared minus 1. We are going to explore the surroundings in which this integral lives, look at some similar integrals, and hopefully we will learn something on the way. We will make a first attempt which won't entirely succeed, and in a later video we are going to see how that failure can lead to the actual solution. Okay, so first of all, let's give this integral a name. So let's call this integral I1. We may need to call something I2 later on, so therefore this one be I1. Okay. So what's the most natural thing one can think of when working with such an integral? Look at the denominator. The denominator looks like square root u squared minus 1. So maybe this one is the thing that we want to apply a substitution to. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. Substitute v is equal to square root u squared minus 1. Let's see what happens with the substitution. We have to express dv in terms of du. Express dv in terms of du. To that end, we have that dv is nothing but, and we are going to apply the chain rule of differentiation. Nothing but right, this is nothing but 2u by 2 square root u squared minus 1 du, which is simply cancelling out the 2. This is simply u by square root u squared minus 1 du. So we seem to have made some progress because the integrand in I1 looks very close to this du. So it has du, it has this term du, and it has this term u squared minus 1 square root. So if we want to write the integrand of I1 exactly in terms of v, we can say that is equal to, from this cross multiplying or essentially transposing, du by square root u squared minus 1 looks like integral dv by u. This is good as well as bad. So what is good is, okay, we got the expression that we wanted and we got to clear the radical, the square root. The messy square root is out of the question now. But this is bad because we have dv in the numerator and u in the denominator. It's looking like a mixture of two symbols. What we ideally wanted to do was, we wanted to express this dv by u entirely in terms of v, right? That was the hope, that okay, when we substitute one variable for another, we are hoping that the integration modifies into some nice function, some simpler function of the new variable. And the new variable here happens to be v. And our hope is that dv by u becomes something simpler to tackle in terms of v. And how do we do that? We do know one relation between v and u. This is this relation, right? So let me express, this is an expression of v in terms of u. I can turn this around and express u in terms of v as follows. Why do we want to express u in terms of v? Because you see that there is a u in the denominator of this expression, right? So u in terms of v. How does that look like? So that is very simple to do. Just square this equation, and you have v squared is equal to u squared is equal to u squared minus 1, or that is u squared is equal to v squared plus 1, which essentially simplifies to u is equal to square root v squared plus 1. And now what we have, dv by u dv by u dv by u is nothing but sorry, I am making too many mistakes here, is nothing but dv by this expression now, square root v squared plus 1 v squared plus 1 square root. So let's see what happened. We wanted to get rid of the radical square root of square root u squared minus 1. We did a substitution of variables, and then we got that, okay, the integration of du by square root u squared minus 1 is no different than the integration of dv by square root v squared plus 1. What did that teach us? What it taught us is that, okay, we need something new, one, but did we not learn anything from this? What we learned is that if you are able to solve this integral I1, then you would be also able to solve this integral I2 is equal to integral dv by square root v squared plus 1. So what this shows that both of these problems are essentially equivalent. Okay, so we are going to stop in this video for now. In the next video, we'll pick this up again and try to work towards a solution. Thank you.